It is a bright moment with patriotism in everybody's heart. But about 73 years ago, India wasn't an independent country. It was under the rule of British government. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed our money and resources. But after all the struggles with the help of our freedom fighters, Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 73 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted India's flag on the Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates National Day across the nation. India was once full of resources. We had full of minerals, and India was known for its leading spice market in the world. These reasons attracted the British government to capture India and use all the resources for their purposes. As at the beginning, manipulating Indians was an easy task. With the implementation of different policies, the country came under the rule of British people. They started torturing us and forced us to become slaves to them. With the help of divide and rule policy, they introduced conflicts among Indians. Few renowned freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru emerged as leaders to and inspire everybody so that they can fight for their rights, making all the sacrifice. After that, every Indian participated actively in the freedom movement to aim for an independent nation. Independence gave us many benefits, including all the rights to freedom, speech, education, and many more. Without our freedom fighters, gaining independence against the British rule was quite impossible. For us, it was a gift of independent India from our martyrs. So, it is now our responsibility to value independence by doing poor deeds like cleaning, keeping our environment clean, helping the people in need, and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our society. The armed officers of our country arrange parades every year to showcase India's superpower in front of the world. We also pay a tributary to our army who are still protecting us from enemies from India's borders. Jai Hind.